Hi, everybody. This week is starting off with a bang. It's Sunday afternoon here in California, 3:08 p.m. Markets are opening in Asia. We also have some aftermarkets working with the S&P sharply higher, up about 16 handles on the news that tariffs were pulled back, and there's not going to be the tariffs beginning tomorrow, which is the date. Looking at the S&P here, we're reaching what could be critical, at least for a pullback. 78.6 level comes in at 29.10. It's starting to look more and more like we could have a blow off to the upside and trade above the previous high of 29.60. Remember last week I said if we start getting back above 2800, which was supposedly a breakdown, there's something else happening. Well, something else is happening. Although I do think there could be some scalping possibilities up here at the 2910 level with managed risk. It's been really a quick recovery similar to what we had in January without any pullbacks. I think there's at least one pullback coming, even if we are going to make new highs, possibly back towards this 2820 level, 2800. So looking for something to happen. There's actually planetary opposition tomorrow. Jupiter, WD Gann paid attention to that. So something else that's showing the risk on fever tonight is a gap higher in the yen. I was actually looking for one more low down towards the confluence of 107.60. Going to try and be patient and see if this is going to just gap up and go. Really not my style to chase things, and sometimes I miss trades. In fact, you know what? Every day I miss trades, and it's okay. Write this down. It's okay because there is always another. So we'll see what kind of upside we could get. See if we could start closing above 118.65. Opens the door back to old support, new resistance at 109. This would also imply that yields with risk on should be heading up too. They did make a new low, so it qualified. It could have been it. And we'll see what happens here over the next 24 to 48 hours. And I'm wrapping it up with the euro. So we have that breakout on Friday. Here it is on the 4 hour. Your first warning sign that it's a breakout fake out would be closes back under 113. I think it has to hold 113 for this wedge to be viable. Otherwise, what you had was just, too many dollar bulls getting shaken out again. Although the wedge could measure up to 117, if I was long, I would not want to see this market close back under 113. Looking again for scalping situations on the short side of euro pound sometime this week after buy stops are taken out. I believe it's right around the 89.02 level, so keeping an eye on that, and perhaps cable demonstrates some relative strength to the euro. Just looking for a correction there. So good hunting this week. Remember, don't just count your pips, count your blessings, and I'll be talking to you tomorrow. Dale Pinkert, you can find me on Twitter at Forex Stop Hunter. That's my handle because I know where your stops are, and I could teach you how to find them too. Good hunting.